Hello, everyone, and welcome to Skyline English Studio. My name is John.
And I'm Olivia. Hello! It's great to be with you today.
On this channel, we help you practice real English. And if you like our videos, remember to subscribe and like them.
That's right. It helps us a lot. And today, our topic is the weather. The weather is a very common topic in everyday conversation.
Yes, people talk about the weather all the time. So, Olivia, let's start. How's the weather today?
Today, the weather is beautiful. It is sunny and warm.
It is. I love sunny days. There are no clouds in the sky.
Me too. It's a perfect day to be outside. What is the temperature today?
I think it is about 25 degrees Celsius. It feels very nice. Not too hot.
Yes, it's warm. So let's talk about different kinds of weather. What's your favorite season, John?
I love summer. I like hot weather.
Summer is great. What is the weather like in the summer here?
In the summer, it is usually very sunny and hot. Sometimes it is very, very hot.
Yes, some days are hot. Do you like to go to the beach in the summer?
Of course! I love swimming in the ocean when it's hot. What do you like to do in the summer, Olivia?
I like to have picnics in the park. I also love to eat ice cream on a hot day.
Ice cream is the best in summer. Does it rain in the summer?
Sometimes. We sometimes have thunderstorms in the summer.
A thunderstorm. That is when there is rain, wind, thunder, and lightning.
Exactly. Thunder is the loud sound. Lightning is the bright light in the sky.
Thunderstorms can be scary, but they are also exciting. And they cool the air.
That's true. After a storm, the air feels fresh.
So, that is summer. What about fall? Fall is also called autumn.
I love the fall. The weather is my favorite. It's not hot and it's not cold.
So, it's cool?
Yes, it's cool and crisp. The air feels fresh and clean.
And the leaves on the trees change color. They become red, yellow, and orange. It's very beautiful.
It is. I love walking in the park in the fall. It's also often windy.
Ah, yes. A windy day is when the air moves a lot. You can fly a kite on a windy day.
That's a great idea. I like to wear a sweater in the fall. It's cozy.
Me too. A nice warm sweater and a cup of hot chocolate.
Perfect for a cool, cloudy day. In the fall, it is often cloudy.
Cloudy is when there are many clouds in the sky and you can't see the sun.
Right. It's not raining, but it's not sunny.
I like cloudy days sometimes. They are very calm.
So, after fall comes winter. How is the weather in the winter?
Winter is cold, very cold.
Brr. I need a big coat, a hat, and gloves in the winter.
Me too. The temperature can be very low. Sometimes it is freezing.
Freezing means it is 0 degrees Celsius or lower.
And what happens when it's freezing?
It snows. I love snow.
Snow is beautiful. Everything is white and quiet.
Do you like to play in the snow?
Yes, I like to build a snowman. It's very fun.
A snowman is great. Do you like to go skiing?
I am not very good at skiing, but I like to watch people ski.
Sometimes in the winter, it is icy. The streets can be dangerous.
Yes, icy means there is ice on the ground. You have to walk very carefully.
And drive your car very slowly.
That's very important. So, winter is cold, snowy, and sometimes icy.
What is our last season?
It is spring. After the long, cold winter, spring arrives.
And the weather gets warmer. The snow melts.
The sun comes out more. The days get longer.
I love spring. It's a season of new life. The flowers start to grow.
Yes, the parks are full of colorful flowers. It's so pretty.
How is the weather in the spring?
It is usually warm, but it can also be rainy.
Ah, yes. We get a lot of rain in the spring. We call it spring showers.
A shower is a short period of rain. It might rain for 30 minutes, and then the sun comes out again.
I don't mind the rain in spring. It helps the flowers grow.
And you can use an umbrella. It's important to have an umbrella in the spring.
What a wonderful word, umbrella.
It is. Sometimes after it rains, you can see a rainbow in the sky.
A rainbow is the most beautiful thing. So many colors.
So we have talked about all 4 seasons. Let's do a quick review.
Good idea. So to ask about the weather, you can say, "What's the weather like?"
Or, how's the weather today?
And to answer, you can say, "It is sunny," or "It is cloudy," or "It is rainy."
If it is hot, you can say, it's hot today.
If it is cold, you can say, "It's cold today."
We learned many weather words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy.
Hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing.
Snow, ice, thunderstorms, and rainbows.
It's very useful to know these words.
It is. Let's do a little practice. I will ask you about the weather in a city, Olivia.
Okay,
What's the weather like in London in the winter?
I think it is often cold, cloudy, and rainy in London in the winter.
Good answer. Now, you ask me.
Okay. John, what's the weather like in Egypt in the summer?
I think it is very, very hot and sunny in Egypt in the summer.
I think you are right. It is important to drink a lot of water.
Yes, very important. This was a fun conversation. I hope it was helpful for our listeners.
Me too. Remember to look outside your window every day and practice saying what the weather is like.
You can say it to yourself or you can tell a friend. Practice is the best way to improve.
That's right. Well, if you enjoyed our video, please give it a like.
And of course, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button.
We make new videos every week to help you practice English.
Thank you for listening to Skyline English Studio. We hope you will join us next time.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.